vehicles out here. A bunch of vehicles. There's a Kia, which I didn't know personally, is that Kias are cheap, and they're also fast selling cars. You can sell them to college students and stuff, but they also have a dark side to them. They can be very problematic, and this one here is pretty much destroyed, so I'm not even going to be bothered with it and spend any energy looking at this one here. This one here is clearly gone, so I'm just going to go ahead and move on. I'm trying to look for the vehicle that I came here to look at. This here is a Cadillac. This is a CTS. This is not the ESV. It's just a regular Escalade. Older model one too. Hybrid. It was like one of those little gas saving ones. And of course this one here is dead too. So anyway, it's that one there. Cadillac Escalade. They did to that RT. This here was stripped and destroyed. My boy took everything off of here. Oh, biohazard. You already know what that is, so we're gonna move away from that one there. I ain't gonna even be bothered with that one there. Trying to look for my BMW. Maybe I should look at that list again. See where she went. Kia Optima. It's here. Optima. It's another Land Rover, Range Rover. It's like, oh my God, he's finna look at another Range Rover. Stop looking at the Range Rovers. Stop looking at the Range Rovers. You know that you don't need another problem, and you're right, I sure don't. This one here is definitely going to be a problem. Look at all of that up there. Look at that. Look at this right here. Yeah, see, old school Range Rovers, these older models, people just don't take care of them. People don't take care of some of these cars in general. You know, people like to say like BMWs and Mercedes are unreliable, but then people turn around and go put the cheapest gas they can get into it. They put the cheapest parts that they can get, that they can put into it, and they spend the least amount of money as they can, and then they always want to skate on by and then wonder why these cars here are not reliable. You don't keep up with the maintenance. If you don't keep up with the maintenance, well then clearly the car is not going to be reliable. That's literally with anything. If you don't change the oil, or put good parts on the Toyota or Honda, it's going to be the same thing. They're not going to be reliable. So it's baby right here. Y'all know what this is? Y'all know what this is? Rolls-royce. Rolls-royce. Please leave car always on neutral. Battery is in the trunk. Battery kill is on the top right corner of wall. Yeah. You know what I might do? I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I may take this one here. May do a video where I fix this one. Ooh, maybe not. I spoke too soon. She smells really, really strong like water. And I don't feel like sitting in here and doing all that stuff to get a crank. But anyway, I was thinking that what I could do, these carpets, man, that takes me back. Oh my God, it takes me back. Remember my dad had a Cadillac. It was just like this one here. Old school Cadillac. It looked just like this one here. It was real nice too, man. I'd be in the back seat and be in my little car seat and playing and stuff, and then I'd fall asleep from the long drive, and then he'll stop off at like a McDonald's or something, and then I would wake up. I don't know why I used to do that, but I did that. I was a fat kid, man. I was a fat kid. Yeah, man, this is not too bad. I was actually thinking, and I might still do it, actually, even with the condition that it's in, because it's kind of hard to not make money as long as it doesn't go for nothing insane. So I might still do it. Anyway, I was thinking about taking this here, maybe repairing it, rebuilding it, fixing it up, whatnot, and then when I do that, I was maybe try to take it to another auction, do a video at an auction that'll allow me to of course, so you guys can see exactly if I make money or lose money. I don't think I want to lose money on a Rolls-Royce though. I did it once. I don't want to do it again. And I didn't lose money on it, but I don't want to do it again. This one here is definitely a project. I don't know. Y'all let me know. I'm going to go ahead and use that right there. And we might even turn around and check this one here out. Let's see what it goes for. Let's see, was this here it doesn't seem like it's wrecked, so it must have been a repossessed or a sold or something. I don't know. 77,000 miles on this one? Is that what it is? Is it really that? There's 40,000 miles on this one here, which isn't bad at all. See, this is all coming apart, so ooh, that hurt. Got right in my skin. I definitely would have to fix this baby up. A Rolls-Royce though, man. I don't care, man. That's Rolls-Royce has a reputation. Old or not, has a reputation. Alright, let's move on. Problem. So you got your regular battery there, and then right here you have your other batteries, and they line up in a line like this here. Now you can't really fix on it. So if your battery goes bad, and you got to buy the right battery for this here, you can't go buy a cheap battery, or you can't just go buy any run-of-the-mill battery. If you go buy a run-of-the-mill battery, it's going to kill it, and then it's going to die, and then you'll be stuck with the same problem. And you spent $300 to ride a car for less than a month or two, and then the battery dies, and then you have to do it all over again. And then I think it's the lithium battery in the back. If those ever go bad, you have to send it to a specialist for them to fix it, which charges you, I think it's like about $2,000-$3,000 to do, which is not worth it. And if you try to do it yourself, you don't want to do it yourself, because you can't do it yourself, and you better not do it yourself unless you like know what you're doing. Just know what you're doing. Mercedes Benz right here. This one here is left open, so yeah, that one there is, she's cooked. That's cooked. I'd be surprised if it had any power. Of course it doesn't have any power. Man, that interior looks good in this one here. My gosh. This is a good looking car. Yeah. No power in this one. Something to have to work on. So anyway, there we go. It's the Chrysler 300 right here. No power in this one here too. The dinner right there, which is pretty simple. That there can be replaced, no problem, if it runs, if it indeed runs, which is one of the issues that may face. Then you gotta do the bumper. You gotta do a headlight on this one here too. Front end work. Front end work. Front end work. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And seems to be pretty much about it on this one here. See, like I said, there is no power in this one. Let's see real quick. It's about to start raining, so I think I'm gonna get ready to go head on back inside, head on to the house. Yeah, no power in this one here. So this one here has no power. Just have to check it out when it goes on the block. Maybe I'll see Chryslers go cheap, but they're also finicky cars. I'm finna go and head on to the house, and it's gonna be there for me.